In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a random subsample of a dataset in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and bring up the worksheet that contains your data. The basic idea is simple. You'll assign a random number to each row, sort the dataset using those random numbers, and then take the number of rows you need for your sample. This is a practical and reliable way to create a random subsample without manually choosing records. Let's imagine you have a small dataset with columns like ID, name, and sales, and you want to randomly select 3 records from it. The same method works whether you have 6 rows or 6,000, so once you learn it, you can use it on almost any dataset. The first method uses the RAND function. Start by adding a new column to your dataset and name it Random Number. In the first row of that new column, type equals RAND, open and close parentheses, then press Enter. Excel will generate a random decimal value between 0 and 1. After that, drag the formula down so every row in your dataset gets its own random number. Next, select the entire dataset, not just the random number column. This part is very important because you want each random value to stay attached to the correct row of data. Then go to the Data tab, choose Sort, and sort by the random number column from smallest to largest. Once the rows are reordered, simply take the first 3 rows as your random subsample. Because each row was assigned a random value, sorting by that value effectively shuffles the dataset. If you're using a newer version of Excel, there's an even faster option with SORTBY and RAND Array. For example, if your data is in cells A2 through C101 and you want 10 random rows, enter this formula. Equals take, open parenthesis, sort by, open parenthesis, A2 colon, C101, comma, RAND Array, open parenthesis, rows, open parenthesis, A2 colon A101, close parenthesis, close parenthesis, close parenthesis, comma 10, close parenthesis. Excel will instantly return 10 randomly selected rows. One important thing to remember is that RAND recalculates whenever Excel recalculates the workbook, so your sample can change. If you want to keep the result fixed, copy the random numbers or the sampled rows, then use Paste Special and choose Values. And finally, always include the entire dataset when sorting. If you sort only the random number column, it can become disconnected from the original records, which can ruin your sample. That's it. An easy way to generate a random subsample in Excel.